Long division 1. When the paper sets out the division like this, it means it expects you to do a formal method, and you may get a mark for doing the method correctly. There are different strategies for solving long division calculations. In this nugget, we are going to look at doubling. We are trying to find out how many lots of 18 there are in 864. 0 lots of 18 go into 8, so write a 0 above the 8. Now we're looking at how many lots of 18 go into 86. 1 lot of 18 is 18. We can work out 2 lots by doubling. 2 lots of 18 is 36. We can work out 4 lots by doubling again. 6 doubled is 12, 3 doubled is 6, plus 1 equals 7. 4 lots of 18 is 72. We could work out 8 lots, but we don't need it for this. We can see that another lot of 18 added to 72 is going to be higher than 86. So 4 lots of 18 go into 86. Now we need to work out the remainder. 86 take away 72 equals 14. 14 is smaller than 18, so we need to bring down the 4 to make 144. Look back at the working on the slide. We know 4 lots of 18 is 72. We can find out 8 lots by doubling again. 2 doubled is 4. 7 doubled is 14. 144. 8 lots of 18 make 144. Place the 8 above the 4. 864 divided by 18 equals 48.